Hey, we're going to learn about our open strings. So we have 4 instruments in the orchestra: violin, viola, cello, and bass. We're going to start by identifying our viola and cello. And violin, viola, and cello are all organized in fifths. So with our musical alphabet going from A to G, there's only 5 letter names between each set of strings. Okay, so our violas and cellos start with a C. Okay, our lowest sounding note is a C on violas and cellos. Then we're going to count up 5. C, D, E, F, G. G is our next note for violas and cellos. Then we're going to count up 5 again. And remember, after G, we just go back to A again. So G, A, B, C, D. D is our next open string for both violas and cellos. And then we're going to go up 5 from D. D, E, F, G, A. And A is our highest string for violas and cellos. Now, violins and violas, if you remember during instrument tryouts, are only 1 string away from each other. So this instrument borrows these 3 notes. So violin's lowest string is the G, and then the D, then the A, and they have 1 higher string. So let's count up from the A, 5. A, B, C, D, E. And those are the notes for violin. Now, violin, viola, and cello are arranged in fifths, but the bass is arranged in fourths. And that's because there's no way we're going to be able to reach as far as you can on a violin, viola, or cello because the instrument's just so large. Basses start on an E. That's our lowest string. Okay, and we're going to go up by 4. So E, F, G, A. Then A, B, C, D. D, E, F, G. And if you notice the similarities here, so viola and cello are identical. They have the exact same notes, but one of these C's is higher and one of them is lower. We'll get into more specifics about the how high and how much higher and lower later. Violin, you can see, borrows the exact same notes that the viola has, but the viola's got the low C, violin's got the high E. And if you can trace this over, the bass and the violin have the exact same string names, but in opposite order. Now, let's try playing.